the story of her thunder and its thoughts, my Indian Roadmaster. The continuation of the drive pulley. So I don't know if any of you seen, there is a video where my drive pulley fails and it destroys my drive belt on my Indian Roadmaster. It only done 13,000 miles, but according to the dealer. Anyway, I couldn't get parts in the UK, so I tracked down parts in another part of the world. Ordered them, done a good deal with the guy. He was a very nice guy, helped me out a lot. So he sent them Monday and they arrived this morning. Came through the door. So, from Australia. So, here's the box. Yeah, I've just taken those off so I don't want the addresses seen. Oh, and he's given me a king and a bag of slag. Thank you very much. So here's the main piece. Pulley. Looks immaculate. Certainly compared to the one that's on mine. And then also the rear brake caliper. That looks mint as well. Cool. Right. Thank you very much, Martin. Also, a massive thanks to my mate that made all this happen. Thank you.
Parts on the floor, thunder waiting, quiet and still. Another ride beyond the hill. Hands in grease, but the feeling's right. Fixing steel before the ride. Every bone and every sound.
Quickly for the camera.
This is rolling down the ground. Turn the spanner, take the time.
Yeah, so while I've got it on the jack, I'm going to give it a bit of clean up around the swing arm, do the calipers. Yeah. New pulley. Should be a lot better. But yeah, I don't know, I'll do a little piece on this as well. I've been looking at the lifting plates, so I've made one out of plywood, and watch it fall off now. It's done the job. So I've dropped a link in on the sizes I've used there, but yeah, compared to the last few times we got off the ground, that's 100% better. Yeah, so the caliper needs bit of a clean. I've got the new one, but I don't think I'll put it on yet. This one's fine. This is the one I've had on it since new. And the belt looks completely fine. A couple of weeks I've been welding with the Macca pulley. But I just didn't want to go any long distances on it.
Mile begins with you. Workshop radio playing slow, coffee cooling while engines glow.
be honest, it's quite clean under there.
Yeah.
Because that's the top of the swing arm is what they took pictures of and sent the Polaris to start all his shit off.
Oh, really?
And I literally, when they were building the A30,
Yeah.
I come along and it was sand, it was a day like this.
Yeah.
And it went in the next day and I didn't get a chance to clean off, and that's all it was, just a fucking muck on it.
Getting them right, ready to roll through the fading light.
Right, if I just show you what I've done underneath. Getting up and down a little bit better. So I've just wiped all the swing arm down, sprayed it up, put a bit of white grease in the adjusters, tensioners, so the shaft goes through a bit better. So all this trouble with Polaris will do with photos that 4 motorcycles sent to Polaris and said I misused the bike, because on here there was a road grime sitting on top there. It was when they were building the A30. I had to go all the way down to Camborne, and then on the way back I didn't get a chance to clean it, so it went into Thor's the next day, and all the top of the swing arm had a line of road grease from the building of the new road. But yeah, so wiped all that down, clean the caliper up.
Turn the key, hear that sound. Best kind of music around. Working on thunder, he's ready to ride. Cornish roads, open and wide. From quiet lanes to the motorway line. Thunder rolling steady and fine. Working on thunder, worth every mile. Every fix brings another smile. Working on thunder, feel that drive. Two wheels keeping the dream alive. Every mile and every turn, another road waiting to burn. Working on thunder, right and wrong. Every road leads us home.
There you go. One pulley fitted. It's about an hour.